Do you want to learn how to draw in the Kawaii style, but you aren't sure where to start? Well, you can learn to draw adorable objects in Procreate in just 3 easy steps. I'm going to show you how to bring everyday items to life with cute faces and simple shapes, from notebooks and backpacks to quirky things like trash cans. I'll share techniques that make any object look super cute, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to draw almost any object in the Kawaii style. You'll also sharpen your observation skills, spark your creativity, and give ordinary items a charming and cute personality. Hi, welcome to Haley K Studio. I'm Haley and I share Procreate tutorials for beginners. So before we start the basics of using your observation and how to draw, let's start with a quick refresher on the essentials of making something look cute. Often, cute things have exaggerated and playful proportions like oversized eyes and small, simple mouths. Also, remember to use rounded edges and soft corners. Rounded shapes give your object a friendly and harmless look. Another key to making objects cute is to simplify the design. Remove unnecessary details and keep it clean and uncluttered. Now that we know the basics of cuteness, let's dive into drawing a cute object in the Kawaii style. Step 1 is to choose the object and take note of its basic shape, its proportion, and its defining features. Step 2 is to simplify those features. So begin sketching your object and focus only on those main shapes in a simple, stylized way. Don't overcomplicate it and capture the essence of the item with just a few lines. And step 3, apply the rules of cuteness. Add those big, cute eyes and small little mouth and keep the edges rounded, and remember to keep it minimal and sweet. So now we can follow these steps and draw some adorable objects together. So today I just wanted to take some really cute objects that you can find around the house or on the internet or anywhere and just make them cute. And the first one I wanted to do was a cute notebook. So the first thing I want to do to help me draw this is to use the reference tool in Procreate. To turn that on, I'm going to go to Actions and then Canvas, toggle on Reference, and then I want to choose an image, so I'll tap on Image and then Import Image. And I have this little collection of reference photos here. I found this really cute notebook. It kind of had a pastel, already kind of kawaii vibe to it. So I wanted to take this image and draw it in the kawaii style. So I'm just going to move this out of the way. The reference frame is really great because it just adds a little frame and you can move it to the corner, you can move it out of the way, and it's not part of your canvas. Typically, we have exaggerated proportions. When it comes to objects, sometimes the proportions are very simple. This is just a rectangle. To make this cute, it's all about having those rounded edges and then giving it some personality with a cute little face. And then when we color fill it, we'll make sure it's pastel. And we can even add a few extra details to this to make it seem super cute and playful. So to complete my sketch, I just have the Narinder pencil selected. It's in the sketching tab of the brush library, and I just have black selected as my color. So now my notebook could be done, but we need to add that cute face. And we're just going to keep it very simple with some cute eyes and a little mouth. So here's the sketch of our notebook all done. We've added those rounded edges. We've kept it very soft and sweet. I even added a little pen on the side so that we know it's a notebook. We've got those big, cute kawaii eyes and the sweet little mouth, and I even added a few little spots for its cheeks. So I'm going to do the color fill for this. I'm going to be using my Kawaii color palette from my Kawaii Essentials brush set and drawing kit. I'll link that down below if you'd like to have that drawing kit. It includes a lot of brushes that are great if you're just starting to draw in the Kawaii style, and it includes this color palette as well. So that's linked below for you to purchase in my Etsy shop if you want. You don't have to use that if you don't want to, but I'll go ahead and use that for its pastel colors for this image. And to do the coloring, I'm going to be using the monoline brush, also from the sketching tab in the brush library, but I've made a copy of it because I've made a few adjustments to the stabilization. I've increased the streamline to 86% and the stabilization to 54%, just because I find that it needs a little help with keeping things smooth and rounded. I'm just going to clean it up a little bit and complete that coloring. So here's our cute little notebook. I kept it a very simple color palette, just a few different colors, and I kept it to that purple from our reference photo, and I added a few extra details. Like I mentioned, I added that pen, I added a couple of place marks and a couple stickers on the front just to make it even more cute, and it's super effective, and I would love to write notes in this notebook. The next cute object I wanted to draw was a simple little mini backpack. They're super cute, and they're even more cute when you draw them in the kawaii style. So I'll turn on my reference photo for this one. So here's my reference photo. The great part of these drawings is they're already kind of in the kawaii style. They're already pastel, they're already sweet and soft. Just adding a few extra details to these just tips them over to that super cute kawaii style. There's nothing wrong with choosing a subject that's already cute. So now I'm going to go ahead and sketch this one out. So here's our simple sketch of our backpack. I just did the main components of the backpack, and I simplified it a little bit by removing some of the details, and I added a little bit more cuteness by making this little emblem a heart. I wanted to maintain that softer vibe, so I took away some of the metal work on it, and I'm not including this little keychain here because it's going to be in the way of our face. So the next thing we're going to add to our sketch is that cute face. So here's our sketch all ready to be colored in. I'm going to add the sweet pastel colors and amp up that super cuteness. So now our cute backpack is all finished. I kept to the blue, and I added a few sweet details like the white trim. I thought that looked really pretty with the blue, and then the yellow little hardware and the pink heart, and of course the blushing cheeks. So we hit all the boxes for the kawaii theme. We've got the big eyes, the small mouth, the soft and round edges, and the pastel colors also add that bit of sweetness to this. The last drawing that I wanted to make, I wanted to show that you can even take silly items or silly objects and make them look cute. Something that isn't inherently cute, but make it look cute. And I am going to do a trash can. If you just add those big eyes and those soft edges and those pastel colors, it can look super cute. I'm also going to play around a little bit with expression and some body language with this one to show how you can, in a simple way, make something look even more sweet. And it's so easy that you can take these steps and make these cute objects on your own. So I'm going to get my reference photo. So I have this reference of a little trash can here. And I have two reference photos. I have a front view and a profile view, and we are definitely going to simplify this up quite a bit and add those pastel colors, add some expression, and make this super kawaii and cute. So here's our trash can all sketched out. He's got a super excited facial expression, and his body language is showing excitement as well. Tilting it a little bit adds to that. And we definitely took some liberties with our proportions. We made it much smaller, much rounder, and simplified it a lot. And now we're ready just to go ahead and fill this in with color. And I did this in my last photo as well. I changed the background color, so I'm going to do that again on this one. And I'm just going to use like a cream color in the background, and then I'll just add a new layer for my lining and my coloring, and I'll put my sketch on top, and then I'll reduce the opacity of my sketch. So now our trash can is all filled in with his pastel colors. We've kept to that green and yellow, but we changed it to a pastel green and yellow, and that gives it a super kawaii look. But you know that this is a trash can because it's got the same colors. I just love his excitement. Maybe he's empty because his buddy, the recycling bin, is full and he's empty, and that's why he's so happy. But he's super cute. I wouldn't mind taking him out to the curb on garbage day. I hope you learned a little bit about how to make objects look cute and a little bit more about the kawaii style, and I hope this has inspired you to try this style yourself. So now that you've learned how to draw objects in the cute and kawaii style, you'll definitely want to click on the link in the screen. It'll take you to an entire playlist on how to draw in the kawaii style. I've got tons of tips and tricks on how to draw in this style if you're just getting started, as well as how to use Procreate, and you won't want to miss that either. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you would like to watch more videos like this one, hit that subscribe, and I'm going to keep sharing these. I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!